Lady Jo. My esteemed sister and brother judges, Learned Advocate General, Additional Advocate General of Kerala, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India in charge, President of the Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, President of the Kerala High Court Advocate Association, President of Kerala High Court Senior Advocate Association, President of Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers, Law Office of Central and State Governments, respected senior advocates, members of the Bar, Registrar General and other registrars of this court, President, members of Advocate Clerks Association, family members of Justice Mohan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here today mourn the sad demise of Sri Justice VP Mohan Kumar, former judge of this court as well as the Karnataka High Court, and the former acting Chief Justice of this court who left us for his heavenly abode on Sunday, the 18th August 2024. Justice Mohan Kumar was born on 7 June 1940 at Kanangad in an ancient traditional family of North Malabar to late Sri Kumaran Nambiar Kodoth and Srimati BP Karthyani Amma. His father was a renowned lawyer and his uncle Sri Justice VP Gopal Nambiar was a former judge and Chief Justice of this court. One may not wonder why Sri Mohan Kumar chose this profession of a lawyer. After completion of his school education at Kasaragod and Kanangad, Sri Mohan Kumar graduated from St. Aloysius College, Mangalore, and thereafter pursued the law from the Government Law College, Ernakulam. After obtaining law degree, he was enrolled as an advocate in the year 1962 and commenced practice at Talasheri. Later, he shifted his practice before this court, by which time his uncle, Sri VP Gopal Nambiar, was serving as the Advocate General. Sri Mohan Kumar was closely associated with Sri P.C. Balakrishna Menon, who later became judge of this court and later Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court, and his uncle in the office. Sri Mohan Kumar commenced his independent practice in 1980 when Sri Balakrishna Menon was elevated as the judge of this court. Learned Senior Counsel Srimati Dandapani, who was a junior in the office of Sri P.C. Balakrishna Menon, along with Sri VP Mohan Kumar, shared me about the remarkable efficiency of Justice Mohan Kumar. He would study a client's case within half an hour of their meeting, often with clients who had traveled from North Malabar. With nothing more than a steel pen in hand, he would swiftly draft and move the matter on today motion, get orders, satisfying the clients during an era of no computer stenographers, solely through his sheer brilliance and hard work. In recognition of his hard work and dedication as a lawyer from more than 3 decades, Sri Mohan Kumar was elevated to the bench of the Kerala High Court as an additional judge on 3rd January 1994. On 14th January 1994, he was transferred to the High Court of Kerala, where he became a permanent judge on 19th October 1994. While serving as a judge of the Karnataka High Court in 2000, Justice Mohan Kumar was appointed as an inquiry commission to inquire into the huge tragedy happened at Kalluvadukal in Kollam district. Justice Mohan Kumar was transferred back as a judge from the Garden City of India to the God's own country on 1st June 2001. On 25th May 2002, he was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of this court and held the position till his retirement on 6th June 2002, on attaining the age of superannuation. The retirement of Justice Mohan Kumar was fraught with official assignments. After his retirement, Justice Mohan Kumar has served in the Kerala State Human Rights Commission for a period of 5 years, from 27 January 2004 till 26 January 2009. Out of this period, for the first 2 years, he had served as the acting chairperson and thereafter as a member of Human Rights Commission. Justice Mohan Kumar was fortunate enough to serve on the bench in 2 high courts. He had proved to be exemplary and noble judge. During his tenure, he had delivered many notable judgments that ensured justice for the poor. On the occasion, I wish to recall the words of Sri Justice Riek Joseph, then senior-most judge of this court, at the farewell reference held in honor of Justice VP Mohan Kumar, High Court. Mr. Justice Mohan Kumar has served the cause of justice with a dedication and distinction. As a lawyer for more than 3 decades and as a judge for 8.5 years. He had good fortune to adorn the bench in 2 high courts, the High Court of Kerala and High Court of Karnataka. Justice Mohan Kumar has delivered many important judgments which are noted for their depth, clarity, and sensitivity. He will be remembered for his sensitivity to human problems and for the quality of his judgment. During the last 2 weeks, he had also the privilege of functioning as the acting Chief Justice of this court. He has won many admirers for his deep knowledge, practical wisdom, and sound common sense, legal erudition, and sense of humor. He has won many friends among his colleagues and the lawyers within warm heart and tender feelings, soft words, smiling face, charming ways, and pleasant manners. He is a gentleman among judges and a judge among gentlemen. High unquote. Justice Mohan Kumar is survived by wife and Srimati Omana Mohan Kumar, Dr. Sankita Kodath, who is settled in US, and son Jayesh Mohan Kumar, a practicing lawyer of this court. Along with his bereaved, we deeply mourn the demise of Justice Mohan Kumar. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Honorable Mr. Justice A. Muhammad Mushtaq, Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala, Honorable Judges of High Court of Kerala, the Vice President of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, the President Kerala High Court Senior Advocates Association, the President Federation of Women Lawyers Kerala High Court Unit, law officers of the state, Deputy Solicitor General, Senior Central Standing Council, Taxes and other law officers of the central government, senior advocates, esteemed fellow members of the bar, family members and associates of late Justice VP Mohan Kumar, Registrar General and Registrars and staff of the High Court, staff of the Advocate General's Office, advocates, clerks, ladies and gentlemen, and all other dignitaries joining online. Today, we have assembled here to condole the sad demise of late Justice VP Mohan Kumar, a former acting Chief Justice of this Honorable Court, as well as former judge of the Karnataka High Court, who left this mortal world to his heavenly abode on 18/8/2024. His Lordship was born on 7/6/1940 into an ancient North Malabar family of lawyers. His father, late Sri K.N. Koduth, was a lawyer. Late Justice VP Gopalan Nambiar, who was the Advocate General of the state and was later elevated as a judge of this Honorable Court and subsequently became the Chief Justice of this Honorable Court, was his uncle. Late Karthiyani Amma was his mother. His Lordship had his early education at Board School Kasargod, BCM School Kanjangad, and Durga High School Kanjangad. He graduated from St. Aloysius College, Mangalore, and acquired degree in law from Government Law College, Ernakulam. His Lordship was enrolled as a lawyer in 1962. He started practice initially at Talasheri and soon shifted to this Honorable Court to join the office of his uncle, late Justice VP Gopalan Nambiar. He had a brief stint in the Indian Army also, and the work discipline and decorum in the armed forces would have certainly chiseled his inherited, as well as innate proclivity for industry and perseverance in the legal profession. Late Justice P.C. Balakrishna Menon, who later became a judge of this Honorable Court, the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court, and the first Lokayukta of Kerala, and late Justice V. Bhaskaran Nambiar, who later became the Advocate General of the state, a judge of this Honorable Court, and Upalokayukta of the state, were then his Lordship's senior colleagues in the office, and they ably guided him. He was singularly devoted to the profession, and his commitment and hard work soon got recognized at the bar and among the litigants. He quickly attained lucrative practice and became a much sought-after lawyer. After the elevation of his senior colleague, late Justice P.C. Balakrishna Menon, as a judge of this Honorable Court in 1981, he set up his independent practice. In apposite acknowledgement of his profound legal expertise, his Lordship was elevated from the bar as an additional judge of this Honorable High Court on 3/1/1994. On account of the then prevalent transfer policy on 14/1/1994, he was transferred as a judge of Karnataka High Court. He was transferred back as a judge of this Honorable Court on 1/6/2001. He demitted office as the acting Chief Justice of this Honorable Court on 6/6/2022 on attaining superannuation. As a member of this bar, I have had occasion to watch his Lordship from very close quarters. First a senior lawyer and then as a judge. I have always found him to be a knowledgeable lawyer and as a person with a good sense of humor. He was always a good friend and approachable to all the men and women in black robes As a judge, he was affable and unassuming. His Lordship was always very much concerned about the backlog of cases. He was openly pensive about the fact it was difficult to cope up with the rate of input of cases. However hard a judge worked, it was also due to his initiative that 27 fast-track courts happened to be established for the first time in the district judiciary of the state to fast-track the disposal of pending cases. A perusal of his reply speech in the reference on the occasion of his superannuation shows his foresight regarding the technological advances in the legal world, insofar as he predicted the establishment of virtual hearing system, though using a different terminology. He spoke thus, I quote, "These are the days of email, e-commerce, etc. Days may not be far off when e-lawyers emerged and are also in demand," I unquote. He was concerned about lawyers maintaining decorum in courts and dignity in their profession and wanted senior lawyers to show the right path to juniors in this regard. The Kerala Law Times, on the occasion of his Lordship demitting his office as the acting Chief Justice of this Honourable Court, wrote about him thus, I quote, "Endowed with most affable manners, a most equable and unassuming temperament, and the most gentle and tolerant disposition, he discharged his duties to the absolute satisfaction of one and all. He has proved himself a great judge, careful about the law, about the facts, considerate towards the bar, and a consummate artist of dignity and detachment in his judicial process," I unquote. Justice A.K. Bashir, former judge of this Honourable Court, who was the then president of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, thus spoke about him in the reference held in the honour of his Lordship at the time of his superannuation. I quote, Let me put it on record with sincere and respectful candidness that the members of this bar have no hesitation to stand up and applaud you on your solitary long walk to the pavilion," I unquote. His Lordship was the commission, in terms of the Commissions of Inquiry Act, to inquire into the Kalwadu Hoods tragedy. He was also the commission to inquire into the allegations with regard to the coal and transformer procurement by the Karnataka State Energy Department between 2002 and 2009. He was designated as a senior advocate by the Honorable Supreme Court on 9/9/2002. His Lordship was appointed as a member of the Kerala State Human Rights Commission on 11/2/2004. He was also the acting chairperson of the State Human Rights Commission for substantial part of his tenure therein. His major interventions while at the State Human Rights Commission included orders to reduce the weight of the school bags of children, against long-drawn school assemblies retaining children under the hot sun, regarding the providing of drinking water and other infrastructural facilities to the residents of Kelagam area of Kannur district, relating to maintenance of right of privacy while making news reports, and exposing of unregulated and unrecognized nursing educational institutions in Karnataka, which catered primarily to students from Kerala. His Lordship married his father's niece, Srimati Omana. They were blessed with a daughter, Dr. Sangeeta Kodat, and a son, Advocate Dr. Justice Mohan Kumar, a member of our bar. His legacy in law continues through his son and his long array of junior associates who are successful lawyers of this court, inclusive of Justice V. Ramkumar, a former judge of this Honourable Court. I share the grief of His Lordship's family and his associates over his demise and offer my condolences. May His Lordship's soul rest in peace.
Honorable Mr. Justice A. Mohammed Mushtaq, Acting Chief Justice of this Honorable Court, Honorable Judges and Honorable Former Judges who are present here, Advocate General Sri K. Gopalakrishna Kurup, Deputy Solicitor General in Charge Sri T. C. Krishna, Additional Advocate General Sri K. P. Jayachandran and Sri Ashwagam Cherian, Director General of Prosecution Sri T. A. Shaji, Additional Director General of Prosecution Sri Gracious Kuriakos, State Attorney Sri N. Manoj Kumar, Senior Advocates Association President Sri Nandakumara Menon, Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala Sri Ajit T.S., President Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers Srimati P.K. Shantama, Secretary and Committee members, respected senior lawyers, family members of Justice VP Mohan Kumar, Registrar General and Registrars of Kerala High Court, law officers of the state and central government, esteemed members of the bar, staff of this court, advocate clerks, and my dear friends. We are extremely grieved by the passing away of Justice VP Mohan Kumar, who has left us on his journey to the eternal world on 18/8/2024. On the occasion of welcoming His Lordship, late Justice VP Mohan Kumar, on assumption of his office as Additional Judge of this Honorable Court, the then President of Kerala High Court Advocates Association, Advocate Sri Mattai Paigade, referred to the belief of late Justice VP Mohan Kumar that genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration, and achieved the enviable position of the most successful lawyers in our High Court. With his untiring spirit of industry, perseverance, and optimism. His Lordship, late Justice VP Mohan Kumar, was born on 7/6/1940, had his early education at Kasargod Board School, Durga High School, Kanyangat, and St. Aloysius College, Mangalore. And thereafter, he took his law degree from Ernakulam Law College. His Lordship apprenticed at Tilicheri and after enrollment started practice at Ernakulam in the year 1962. His Lordship belongs to a very high and respectable family in Malabar. It is worthwhile mentioning here that His Lordship was the illustrious nephew of former Honorable Chief Justice VP Gopalan Nambiar. His Lordship's father, Sri K.N. Koduth, was a well-known lawyer. There is nothing surprising in the great achievements of His Lordship, as His Lordship belongs to a family of lawyers and judges. His Lordship, while practicing as an advocate of this bar, created an everlasting image as an outstanding lawyer. He was appointed as an additional judge of this Honorable Court on 3/1/1994, and within a short period of time, he was transferred as a judge of the Karnataka High Court on 14/1/1994. His Lordship left Garden City of India and came back to our own God's own country and assumed charge as a judge of this Honorable Court on 1/6/2001. Though his stint was short, yet he rendered several judgments which bear testimony not only to his vast knowledge in law, but also the amount of courage while discharging his duty as a judge of this Honorable Court. He was the acting Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court for a period from May 25th, 2002 till his retirement on 6/6/2002. His Lordship was appointed as a member of Kerala State Human Rights Commission in January 2004. He officiated as the acting chairperson of the commission till the end of his tenure in January 2009. He was appointed as the commission to inquire about the 2000 Kalluvadagal Hoods tragedy. He is survived by wife Srimati Omana Mohan Kumar, daughter Dr. Sangeeta Koduth, working in USA, and Advocate Jayesh Mohan Kumar is a well-known lawyer in this bar, and Advocate Vandana Jayesh is his daughter-in-law. Justice VP Mohan Kumar has left us forever, leaving behind a profound legacy of mesmerizing wisdom and cherished memories that will always be remembered. May I take this opportunity to request Your Lordship to direct the registry of this Honorable Court to convey our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family. May his soul rest in peace.
As a mark of respect to the departed soul, we shall now stand in silence for 2 minutes. The registry shall place on record and convey condolence message of the bar and bench to the members of the bereaved family. Judicial work of the High Court shall stand suspended till 11 a.m. today.